You're welcome in All-in-One Science YouTube channel, and we are discussing about impurity, which are the topic of pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry B Pharm first semester. So let's go. We are discussing about.
So topic is the impurity. In any compound, when unwanted chemicals are enter and contaminate this compound and changed quality of this compound is called impure. Suppose that you have some quantity of milk and you heat it in a clean pot. So after heating you can easily use it. But suppose that you heat in a unclean pot, so after heating you cannot easily use it, then this will be unfit for your use. So this quality of unfit for your use, this is called impurity. So starting from it, a compound a compound is said to be impure if it having a foreign matter, that is impurity. A compound is said to be impure like a milk is called impure if it having a foreign matter or contaminated dust particles. Dust particles, dirty particles or contaminate particles enter on this compound. Like you heated a milk in a unclean pots, and in unclean pots maybe bacteria, viruses, protozoa are live already, due to which it will be impure. Impurities in pharmaceutical are the unwanted chemicals remain with the active pharmaceutical ingredient. Because after the completely done B pharmacy, maybe we will product many of medicines, drugs. So our target will make a pure medicine properly. But due to some unwanted chemicals or dust particles like milk in which bacteria, virus, protozoa are living already, due to which our milk will be impure. So as it is, our production, our medicine may will be impure due to the unwanted dust particles. Impurities due to which substance become incompatible with other substance, means to impurity become due to the unwanted dust particles, and these dust particles can impure our products like milk. Like bacteria, virus enter in milk and contaminate this. Next point is toxic impurities like lead and arsenic salt, and impurity due to coloring or flavoring substance such as sodium salicylate is discolored due to the phenolic compounds. Some kinds of dust particles affect as poison. So when we product a medicine in industry, we use various type of excipients with drugs like coloring agent for give a color for medicine, flavoring agent for give a flavor to medicine, and preservatives for preserve for long time of medicine life. So if we choose a wrong excipients, maybe impure our product. As in sodium salicylate is discolored due to phenolic compounds, impurities due to humidity. Humidity means to self mistake during production time. So as it is, sodium salicylate is discolored when phenolic compound is added with it. His color will be flare up and change will become in physical property. So next point is impurity which change the physical and chemical properties of the substance and making them unfit for medicinal use. When the impurity is come in any product, that is unfit for our use. Like when a calcium tablet after contaminated, that is unfit for medicinal use, we cannot use it. It will give side effect for us. Color, flavor, appearance or physical or chemical property will be changed after contamination of any product. Like milk after contaminated we cannot drink. Impurity decreasing the shelf life of compound. After contamination of any product, its life cycle
decrease.
Life cycle of pure product more than the impure product.
So I hope that you have understand these. Now let's discussing about type of impurities.
So, depending on effect of impurities of product, they may be either destructive or constructive.
What is destructive mean? Destruction means to stop the working nature of any product.
Impurity can be destructive when they obstruct the working nature of the material. Like you have a metal pipe of water, so before the touch water, that will pure for more time, but after touch or regularly touch the water, it will rusting around the pipe, then shorter his life after rusting around the pipe. That is impurity. If you not understand any topic, any lines or all of the video, you can comment me. I will improve myself.